Omaha's weather leader, meteorologist Caitlin Harvey, with the accurate forecast you can trust.
12:15, watching our visibility drop in real time. This is a look out at Highway 370 near 72nd from our camera at the Cobalt Credit Union headquarters. Just going to show you how quickly this visibility can drop, and we're seeing the risk for a few more squalls as we head throughout the afternoon. Just with the gusts that we've already seen, up to about 55 miles an hour. Right now, bands of moderate snow, blowing snow, reducing that visibility here for the metro. 33, feeling like 19 in Omaha, 37. Cloudy at that snow on the way out toward Lincoln, feeling like 25. And getting snow now, Maryville, 36, feeling like 28. Live dual pole super Doppler, here's that band of snow again moving through. Now working its way into Sarpy County, still Pottawatomie County. Have to watch out for that, but impacting parts of I-80, I-29 here as we head out to lunch, and not quite out of the woods yet. Impact weather staying with us throughout the rest of your afternoon with those gusts, as mentioned, 40, now already seen up to 55 miles an hour. Any snow, and we've seen it pretty light, that does develop and move through, has the chance to drastically limit that visibility, as we've seen now a couple times today. Well, temperatures dropping as we head throughout the rest of your Friday. 29 degrees by 3 o'clock. By your drive home from work and school, mid-20s, feeling like the teens. Snow showers tapering off here overnight tonight. There's still a few flurries possible tomorrow morning with lows into the single digits, so we are feeling likely like -10 for Omaha by tomorrow morning. Now, parts of eastern Nebraska as well as Monona County remaining under a wind advisory until 6 o'clock today. Already have seen those gusts in excess of 50 miles an hour. Moving on over to Crawford, Carroll, Audubon counties on the Iowa side. Winter weather advisory in effect until 9 p.m. where we could pick up to about an inch of snow. The rest of us generally looking for under a half of an inch. Storm predictor as we head throughout the rest of the day today. We're going to keep these very spotty snow showers with us as we've seen now multiple times today. Any snow that does move through going to likely be whipped up by that wind, creating terrible visibility. Chance for some flurries overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning, but those winds going to stay gusty up to 35 miles an hour tomorrow. Not only whipping some of those flurries that we see, likely not as bad as today though, but adding insult to injury with a high tomorrow of 14. We're likely to still feel like the negative wind chill values throughout the day. Today, impact weather for limited visibility. Those gusty winds we've seen up to 55 miles an hour. Impact weather tomorrow, cold start and staying cold throughout the day with those gusty winds. Another cold start by your Sunday morning, warming up though. We'll reach that low of 7 around midnight. Still likely feeling like the negative Sunday morning before rebounding to the upper 30s. Cold again for your Monday, MLK Day, and back to the mid and upper 30s by the middle of next week.